Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. In today's episode, we have an exciting gadget to discuss: the Phomemo Inkless Portable Printer in gray. This compact printer offers a range of features that make it a versatile addition to your office or travel setup. Let's dive into the details and explore why this printer could be a game-changer for you. The Phomemo Inkless Portable Printer is designed with convenience in mind. You can easily print from your iPhone, iPad, or Android device using the Phomemo app. This feature ensures seamless compatibility with your mobile devices, making on-the-go printing a breeze. Say goodbye to the hassle of dealing with ink cartridges, toners, or ribbons. This printer utilizes thermal technology, eliminating the need for traditional ink. Not only does this save you money, but it also eliminates the risk of ink-related blockages and cleaning issues. The package includes Phomemo folding thermal paper in US letter size, with 100 sheets per pack. This thermal paper is compatible with the printer and ensures high-quality prints. It's perfect for various applications, from business contracts to travel documents. With Phomemo thermal printer paper, your prints will maintain their quality for at least 10 years at room temperature. You won't have to worry about print quality deteriorating over time. This durability ensures your important documents stand the test of time. The versatility of thermal printer paper extends to its wide range of applications. You can use it for business contracts, product lists, letters, recommendations, invoices, study materials, and more. Whether you're in the office or on the go, this printer has you covered. The Phomemo Inkless Portable Printer is incredibly portable, weighing just 2 pounds and measuring only 1.5 inches thick. It can easily fit in your bag or briefcase, making it perfect for travel or on-site printing. Whether you're traveling for work, business, or personal use, this printer is your reliable companion. Not only is the printer cost-effective, but the thermal paper also saves you money. Each thermal paper sheet costs only 12 cents, making it more affordable than traditional ink cartridges and paper. Switching to thermal paper can lead to significant savings over time. So there you have it, an in-depth look at the Phomemo Inkless Portable Printer. If you're looking for a printer that offers mobile device compatibility, cost-effective printing, and versatile applications, this might be the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to this product on Amazon. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more informative reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.